Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and big shout out to one of my subscribers because we now have the turtle doves in hand. Today we're going to be talking about the Yeezy Boost 350 V1 turtle doves. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today, thanks to one of my subscribers, we are going to be reviewing the most sought after Yeezy on Yeezy Day. I know this was my sorest L, so I'm so happy to actually have these in hand in my size. So big shout out to all of my subscribers who are always thinking about my team and the channel and really helping us grow. This means a lot, and I'm so excited to do this review on the turtle doves. So we'll start off with a review, an overview of these, talk about size and fit, followed by how I styled this really classic colorway. Then we'll talk about how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. This is actually the very first V1 350 silhouette we have actually done on the channel, which is pretty crazy. I don't actually have a V1 in my collection currently. So happy to be talking about the turtle dove today and how this is just a really classic colorway that has kind of withstanded time. Again, these originally released back in 2015, and this is just a really dope color scheme. We've got nice cream and that prime knitting as the base, and then throughout we've got a darker shade of black threading for the rest of the prime knit, which just gives it this nice, beautiful two-tone throughout the sneaker. Again, it is a really cool matching, has a really cool matching pair of laces, which actually matches that prime knit to a T, which I think it is almost like a chameleon where it blends quite nicely. It almost looks like it doesn't have laces depending on which way you're looking at it. As we move to the medial side of the profile, we do have this nice suede here and a nice dark black color scheme. We've got the Adidas embossed logo that's nicely displayed there in a monochromatic look. As we work our way to the back of the heel, we do have this cream pull tab, which has a dotted striping going on the back there in red. The insole is in a black colorway. And as we work our way to the lateral side of the sneaker, again, just more of that beautiful prime knitting and that cream and black color scheme. The sneaker is then completed with a cream midsole and cream outsole. And of course we can see that boost on the bottom there. All right, so now let's take a look at all of those details and then we'll talk about size and fit on these. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, this is actually completely different in my opinion from the V2 silhouette. I wasn't sure what to expect when I received this just because I have not worn a V1 before. I would say that these do run on a looser side. I typically this year have been going up an entire full size for all of my Yeezy 350 V2s. I actually just stuck with an 8 on this, which is half a size larger than my normal size. So I went from a 7.5 to a size 8. I would say this works just because I do feel like these don't actually fit as snug as the V2s. It is a little bit on the looser side, specifically on the sock liner here. This doesn't fit as snug around your ankle. And I feel like this is just definitely an easier silhouette to really slip your foot inside. But I do plan on wearing thicker socks with these, so I did want to have a little bit of extra space. So I would say half a size works perfect for me on this one, but I have again been going up a full size for the V2. The prime knitting is also much looser than on the V2 series, so I would definitely say that the prime knit on this is almost as if it's been broken in already. All right, so again, I do have higher to narrow feet, so depending on what type of foot you have, if you have flatter, wider feet, that could differentiate something that works completely opposite from my own. But if you are a similar foot type to mine, I definitely recommend at least going half a size up in these. All right, so now let's jump into styling. Again, just really easy color combination to work with here. So I was really excited to style this just because I think this is a year-round color scheme that you can wear any day and every day. So for the first look, I decided to bring some color out to the mix with a nice rust colorway for a halter top with matching wide pants. I think that's going to be a nice fall colorway, and I'm really just ready for the fall. I love summer, but fall is probably one of my favorite seasons, and I feel like that rust colorway just really complemented the color scheme in this quite nicely. For the second look, I decided to wear a light brown dress. Again, more of a fall colorway as we are working our way into kind of that cooler season. And I think that brown hues just complement this quite nice, specifically because of the cream that you see throughout the silhouette. And then for the last and final look, I decided to wear all cream. So I wore cream over romper that was short sleeved. Again, lots of cream going on throughout the sneaker. So cream is definitely a safe bet to play when styling the sneaker. All right, so you let me know down below what was your favorite out of the 3 looks, or how would you style these?
Just a backseat driver flying undercover, a nice suit and a family name, says he'll make me a star if I just play the game. That man doesn't know that I am bulletproof. Keep one foot on the sky and a foot on the road. I'm not doing this to try to make a name. I just like the way it feels, honey, the way it
All right, so now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed on Yeezy Day for $230. These were above $1,000 at one point for resale, but it has gone down a bit just because a lot of people did snag a pair of these on Yeezy Day. So congrats to anyone who was able to grab a pair on that special day. But these are now going between $290 to $600. All right, everyone, I really hope you enjoyed this review and unboxing. Again, shout out to my subscriber who sent these my way. Really appreciate you. And that's it for this unboxing and review. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you joined us for the first time. Thank you so much. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and leave me any comments or questions down below if you have any. Also hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you all in the next episode.